In a quiet town, hiccups were feared. They believed each hiccup was a spirit trying to escape. One night, a young girl hiccuped uncontrollably. Her grandmother whispered an old tale. Hiccups are the whispers of forgotten souls. The girl, intrigued, listened closely. Each hiccup seemed to echo a distant voice. She followed the sound to an ancient tree where a hidden message was carved. Free us. With a final hiccup, the air shimmered, and the spirits were released, leaving the town in peace. The girl never hiccuped again, but the whispers lingered in the wind.